You look terrible.
For months, I have been wrangling the Brotherhood, the National Assembly, and the King. Taken all together, they have the political acumen of an especially stupid village council. I believe that excuses my appearance, young man.
I meant no disrespect, Mentor. I'm only concerned.
Forget me, Arno. Weep for France. But enough politics. I hope you have happier news. What of Lord de la Serre's murderers?
The King of Beggars is dead. He was carrying this.
Repose en paix. You should keep it. It'll do no one any good moldering in a forgotten crypt. Carry it with honor.
Thank you. I will.
The mission?
The King of Beggars and Silver were only pawns in a larger game. Someone sent them after Monsieur de la Serre.
Templars do nothing simply, do they? Do you have anything solid on this mysterious chess player?
The only lead I have is the instrument that killed de la Serre. A pin fashioned by a silversmith named Germain. But how he's involved, I can't yet say.
It seems your course is clear. Find the silversmith, learn what part he plays.
Hello, Arno.
Pourrait le regarder.
Well, that's not suspicious, is it?
Damn traitor!
I've been here 3 weeks. And I've never...
Dedicated to his work, is he?
Obsessed more like.
Stop you! Hey, got you! You shit!
Monsieur Germain? Silversmith?
Thank God. They've been holding me for months. Please, get me out of here.
First, I need to know about this.
We've no time. I'll tell you all I know once we're away. But we must leave. Before the guards return.
Fine, let's go.
No! They'll be watching the front entrance. We'll have to go downstairs and across.
Follow me then, and stay quiet. Best we move on.
Yes, certainly.
Hold a moment. Best we move on.
Very well.
Wait here.
Coming for us now, are you? Dead?
Dream that.
Christ. We made it. Traitor, die!
Bloody hell! Shit, get moving! After him!
This way.
Yes, certainly.
Hold on. Follow me.
As you say.
Keep one eye to the roofs. They often post sentries there as well.
Just how important are you as a prisoner?
J'ai la garde. J'ai trouvé un corps.
Stop! You!
Répondez-nous. Something's going on.
Hey! Show yourself! Now I got ya!
Germain! Change of plans.
Die! Face death like a man!
No need to do anything foolish. Let the Silversmith go.
Stay back!
Oh, be good. What have I done?
Only what you had to. Come. We must go.
Yes, of course.
Ah, soyez le bienvenu, monsieur.
S'il continue, il va se rompre le cou.
Thank you, my friend. You've done me a great service today.
Perhaps you can return the favor.
Yes, of course. May I? I made the first some years ago on a private contract. A man called a Frenier. That seemed an unusual commission. I confess curiosity got the better of me. Recently, I started to look into the Frenier's background, and what I discovered, you wouldn't believe it.
He's a Templar. Is that what you found?
Yes, I believe so. I didn't know how to take it. In any case, I was careless, and the Frenier found out about my schemes. Kept me under house arrest ever since. I do as he bids. Weapons, mostly.
Where can I find him?
Well, the Frenier is a very difficult man to pin down. Not long ago, I overheard him talking about protecting the shipments at La Halle au Blé. Sounded ominous, whatever he meant. So I ask, why are you so interested in him?
He killed someone very dear to me. I want to know why.
I see. You have my sympathies.
They will come looking for you again. Make yourself scarce.
Yes, I believe I might.